Let me know when my balls are showing.
Why did you choose Orangeburg?
It's a Disney classic.
You have a lot of other Disney tattoos as well.
I do. Oh, Gil's the only guy to go to for Disney.
Well, this tattoo is going to be fun, rather.
Totally.
Yeah, I'm going to do these scales. I'm really scared / excited to try because they're kind of like outside of my normal style. I've been seeing a lot of other tattooers that I look up to kind of use. It's kind of an old way of doing scales where there's kind of like not much organization to them, but the overall texture that creates is like really nice. It's gonna be kind of difficult for me to do that because it's not really my aesthetic, you know.
Yeah.
But I think that would be a very beneficial addition to this particular piece.
Huh?
I'm gonna try those scales.
Oh yeah, do it.
The mushy, chaotic.
Yeah, I love them.
Oh my god. I've been liking them lately too. It took me a minute to be like, okay.
Yeah. You know. Yeah, I like putting them in. What do you reckon?
Alright, what do you think?
I dig it.
Like it?
Yeah.
Sick. I'm gonna go for kind of a New York meets Europe type of traditional
the belly
vibe.
looks good though, that's kind of how I would do the belly.
Yeah, yeah. But I feel like this is gonna be a fun one. Alright. You ready?
Oh yeah.
You know you love it.
There's a white man holding a camera on me saying, I know you like it. I feel very uncomfortable right now. Stop Asian hate.
Happy Saturday, Phil.
Yeah, it's happy Saturday. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Since you watched it, what did you think of the video though?
What did I think of it?
Yeah, I need feedback. Be brutally honest.
from what I remember. Maybe I gotta rewatch it, but
Unmemorable.
Fuck!
That's the big takeaway. His silence is deafening.
no, it was not bad.
Yeah, he can't hate it. He didn't care enough to hate it.
Let me know when my balls are showing. Just resting on the shoe. Like a little beanbag sitting on the shoe. Hey man, where'd you get those tassels? Bling! Loving that little gold teeth in there.
I liked it. Yeah, it was crazy. It's the first time doing my knee, obviously, but I was expecting a lot more pain, and it was a lot nicer than I thought. So, pretty stoked on it for sure. Yeah, I wasn't sure how we were gonna do the inside for like the wood and all that to get those marks and make it look like it's actually a piece of wood, but yeah, it came out exactly how I would have hoped. But yeah, it's even better than I thought. I dig it a lot.
Fuck yeah.
That's a shit you don't get on Miami.
G, come on, you gotta pick a winner for the t-shirt.
Oh, okay.
To our subscribers.
All right.
Come on. Let's see who won the
Shuffle
t-shirt.
around. It feels like there's about 6 or 7 of these in here.
We have 49 subscribers. Simmer down. Who is it? Who is it?
Nick, I ain't gonna say that anyway.
Nick DeLeon. DeLeon.
Yep, you are the winner of a small T-shirt. Oh, hopefully it fits. Check your mailbox.
Nick, we will email you and see what size shirt you wear. Yay? Yay!